From stardust to DNA, meteorites, and the cosmic recipe of life. In the vast expanse of space, meteorites from far-flung corners of the cosmos have landed on Earth, carrying with them the secrets of life's origin. A recent study unveils a groundbreaking revelation about these celestial messengers. Meteorites found in Australia, Canada, and the United States have been under the scientific lens, revealing a potential link to the emergence of life on our planet. These space rocks, classified as carbonaceous chondrites, harbor essential chemical ingredients crucial for the building blocks of life. Previous studies identified 3 of the 5 nucleobases needed for DNA and RNA on these meteorites. But now, with more refined methods, scientists have delicately extracted the final 2 nucleobases, cytosine and thymine, opening a new chapter in our understanding of extraterrestrial influences on life's blueprint. This discovery fuels the theory that meteorites could have played a pivotal role in delivering organic compounds essential for Earth's first living organisms. Astrobiologist Danny Glavin from NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center emphasizes the significance of a complete set of nucleobases with extraterrestrial origins. As Earth took its first steps, bombarded by meteorites and cosmic material, the crucial ingredients for life began to assemble. The carbon-rich composition of these meteorites, Murchison, Murray, and Tagish Lake, provides a glimpse into the organic carbon that became a primary constituent of life on Earth. Carbonaceous chondrites, like Murchison and Murray, contain about 2% organic carbon, while Tagish Lake boasts a 4% organic carbon content. Earth, a cosmic canvas shaped over 4.5 billion years, witnessed the birth of primitive microbes in its primordial seas. The emergence of DNA and RNA marked a pivotal milestone, containing the instructions to build and operate living organisms. The delicate nucleobases, hidden within the structure of these meteorites, hold the secrets to the cosmic choreography that paved the way for life as we know it. As scientists delve deeper into the mysteries of space, the cosmic dance of meteorites continues to unveil the wonders of our celestial origin.